He will tear Israel apart to protect himself. And once you cross that threshold, once you treat judicial independence, presidential neutrality, and public trust as disposable, you're no longer dealing with a legal crisis. You're dealing with an unconstitutional unravelling being carried out in plain sight. And you can feel that unravelling already. The protests didn't wait for Herzog's answer. They erupted the moment the request became public, because society understood immediately that the rule of law was now being tested in a way that could not be dismissed as partisan theatre. This wasn't legislation, this wasn't rhetoric, this was a direct attempt to end a trial that's been running for years, and the public's reaction tells you something important about where Israel is now. The institutions are strained, the politics are toxic, the coalition is unstable, as it was anyway, but even more so now, and the public tolerance for political self-preservation masquerading as legal reform has collapsed. People have had enough of watching the law treated as a flexible instrument for whoever holds the top job. And that brings me to the point that sits underneath everything else, that this isn't just about Netanyahu's legal fate, it's about the health of the state of Israel itself. Because a democracy, as they claim to be, cannot possibly survive long if its leaders believe they can step outside the law whenever the law becomes a personal inconvenience. A legal system cannot function if the most powerful individual in the country tries to opt out of it. A presidency cannot maintain its legitimacy if it's forced into a corner where either decision triggers constitutional damage. And a public cannot keep faith in a system that lets a defendant at the top of government try to escape the verdict that every ordinary citizen is bound by.